So this is our current front garden progress. I've got to finish my barrel and go to the aquatics plant store and get me some aquatics plants. This is going to have just a few fish. I got to cut the liner, and it's going to have, that's our frog habitat. We're going to have like pipe out of it. And then something's been in my bed already. Those are sprouted. We ain't sprouted them. And then this is all the sprouted plants. So we got watermelon, cucumber, squash, bell peppers, some snapdragons, marigolds. I got marigolds planted in here. I've got a couple of honey melon, something muskmelon, cantaloupe. Hopefully okra, it'll come up. These are our potatoes. That's one of our bean teepees that I haven't finished. I set this one out. There's the other one. These are apple trees. This bed has marigolds and sweet potatoes. We gotta mow. This bed has strawberries. Oh my word, huge strawberries. There's one right there. Big old strawberries. That's peach tree. There's a peach tree down there. There's another one of our teepees. This is our strawberry pyramid. We've got it set up. We got to take the water hoses up. This is our other apple tree. This has got our raspberries and pomegranate in it. I just bought the pomegranate, and it's got some other plants, but I forgot what. And then we've got our bulbs that I like, so I planted them. And these are our kiwi. So it died off, but there's a little green coming from both our kiwi vines. And then this is where I planted bulbs. And then down the fence line, it hasn't come up yet, but I've gotten pretty far down the fence line with morning glories. And then in our front bed, we've got Wayne's hot peppers, which is his favorite thing. So we have half in hot peppers and marigolds. Different varieties of hot peppers. Bahoot Jalokia and Red Glory something. These are all the hot peppers. There's some sunflowers in the back. This is asparagus. I've planted some herbs. This is my broccoli, my mint from over the winter. That is rosemary, sage, lavender, basil. I think that is, I forget what it is. And then tomatoes.